Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a group chat within Facebook Messenger. Let's jump in. So I'm on my iPhone. This method works whether you're on your phone, your iPad, your computer, whatever application that you're using. But as long as you have Facebook Messenger, this will work. All right, so we're just going to start by just opening up the app. And this screen should look somewhat familiar. It shows you all the messages that you have coming in, individuals, and as well as the groups. And so what we're going to do to create your own group is up at the top, you're going to click on the little pencil icon, just like you would when you're creating a individual message. But instead of adding a to and adding somebody in there, we're going to create a group. And then from here, you can either search for names. So you could either search for names or you could just scroll through and find them. So I'm going to just pick a couple of people here. Just like that. Okay. So I just grab a couple of my friends on here. And then all you need to do is you could change the group name. Let's say this is just family and then create. And it creates that group. Now everybody that's part of that can see that they're in this group. Now what we can do from here is we could add additional people. If there's new people we want to add to that, you can change the name if you want to change that. And then you could also just see all the members that are part of that group. Okay. Now in here, we can change admin. So obviously I'm an admin, but we could add other people as admins that are part of that so that they can monitor and do some more of the back end things in there. And now when you send a message, that goes out to the whole group and they'll be able to see that. And then now you can see that group shows up in this bracket of all your other messages. And so now anytime that somebody messages me in that group, it'll be seen by all people. And then once we're in here, if at any time that you want to remove this group, all you have to do is swipe to the left and you could see there's archive, more, pin. We go to more, and then all you do is just hit delete, and that deletes the group, removes everybody from it, as well as any of the messages that are in there. The other option you saw is you could click on archive. And what that will do is removes everybody from the group, but it still keeps all the messages in there. So you can no longer use the group, but it's all there and still saved as part of that. And with that, it's that easy to create and manage your group. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.